Alive, alive, oh, alive, alive, oh, crying cockles and mussels, alive, alive, oh. Man lai pi muak dam rei, adam rei lutuk vangin, adar kwang nen an pum tak tu, ni tum adaravwa, vo, adar tum ritut. Zo lang Patian til rel dan hi ava mak man tiap pisai nan samo. Patian til rel dan tu ava mak Siat pak rwalo ani atum zauzia. Til teber på aveng, van til arel kime, patian ruat angzelin, enkima re.
Rock of ages, clear for me, let me hide myself in thee. Let the water and the blood be of sin, double cure. Let me hide myself in thee.
Rock of ages, cleft for me. Let me hide myself in thee. Let the sin, the double cure, save me from this guilt and blood.
Man lai in siat, ma in pian, ma kini puana upang kan ni lai, pisai sap, nula de vela, sao de uzumi tuan, la te min zertir chin, mo, tuanin, kan ini zertir chin, la ka sadona ni. Nau pang ezinga kan kasai kina pang paritiakang nau loma pipu pokan suisa pokang iku tenin kanau kauyang mut le se bei le stella kadiang kan mo Kadang là mọi chắc xong tắt sự xa đốn. I will sing you a song of the singing school and the South Sudan Maggie of the do re mi and the ABC and the voice still speaking free. Mo adang kasi po umase kasatoy ang mo dan adang kasali ang lanchang kag kasadon mo. Har siwiten har barod, crying cockles and mustels, alive, alive, oh, alive, alive, oh, alive, alive, oh, crying cockles and mustels, alive, alive, oh.
What a friend we have in Jesus. All our sins and griefs to bear. And what a privilege to carry everything to God in prayer. Oh, what peace we often forfeit. Oh, what needless pain we bear. All because we do not carry everything to God in prayer. Have we trials and temptations? Is there trouble anywhere? We should never be discouraged. Take it to the Lord in prayer. Can we find a friend so faithful, who will all our sorrows share? Jesus knows our every weakness. Take it to the Lord in prayer.
There's a land that is fairer than day, and by faith we can see it afar. For the Father waits over the way to prepare us a dwelling place there in the sweet by and by. We shall meet on that beautiful shore in the sweet by and by. We shall meet on that beautiful shore. We shall sing on that beautiful shore the melodious songs of the blessed, and our spirit shall sorrow no more. Not a sigh for the blessed.